Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, Dog Squad? It's me, of course, Nate. And I'm going to be doing a unboxing video today. I haven't done one of these in a while. I'm going to do just a clip of what I've done for the vlog, the video of today's video. But I'm doing this as a unboxing video as well. So I'll show you what I got. I'm gonna upload this before that one anyways. So you'll see behind the scenes of how I make videos. I had to rip off the sticker, but this is what I got, guys. A cooking pan, a Liddle Griddle, and it is the size of the box, so let's see what it looks like outside of the box. Let's open this. Okay guys, here it is. Here are the few things that comes with it. Of course, the handles. Please don't tell me I have to use screws. So, and here's the cord for it. Just like a regular griddle. And then all the other handle. There's the packaging. And here's what it is. So, yeah, the directions are right there. Let me get it out of this plastic bag. I'll be right back. There we go, guys. There it is, all put together. It's not big at all. Can't wait to use it and stuff like that. So I'm excited, guys. Excited. So that is my little griddle. My little griddle in my unboxing. So let's keep the wheels turning on our next adventure. Peace, everybody.
Thank you guys very much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, drop a like if you like, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications by ringing that bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Go check out my Patreon, my merch, and the Facebook page, and of course Instagram. So I'll see you guys on my next journey.